Yun, what is up mga idol, at ito update muna tayo kay Gumball Squad. So malapit na yung TGE. So meron dito tayo magwa-wallet address registration tayo hanggang April 4 lang to. So click nyo lang yan, register nyo lang. So dito pwedeng i-edit, click nyo dito kung wala pa kayong naka-register na wallet, click nyo dito. Yan. Tapos lagay nyo dito yung address, so save. So dito naman pwede nyo i-edit kung nagkamali kayo ng address or gusto nyo palitan yung address, edit nyo lang. So ang ginamit ko dito Ethereum wallet address kasi wala naman silang sinabi kung saan sila magti-TGE, kasi ang madalas nilang ginagamit na network yung ARB at saka BSC. Yun yung ginagamit nila. So wala naman problema kung gamitin natin yung Ethereum wallet address. Isang wallet lang naman yun. So dito, tingnan natin dito yung news. And ito kasama rin to sa airdrop, yung launch pool. So tingnan natin dito. Yan, Gumball TGE. So sa April ang TGE. So walang exact date, basta April. At yung mga partner at syempre yung mga investor, ayan, Binance Labs, saka Animoca brand. Sana wag tayong biguin nito ni Gumball, mga eyeball. At ayun, ako dito sa umpisa pa lang din, nagpa-farm na tayo dito. At natin, Road to TGE, key date you can't miss. So launch pool 3, March 17, March 31. Community airdrop reveal March 31, airdrop season 3, reveal April. Massive reward. So squad coin war final launch pool before TGE March 17 to March 31. So malapit na matapos yung launch pool 3. And launch pool 3 will be the final battle before TGE. Giving you one last chance to mine airdrop, earn and submit squad coin, you will be rewarded. And pre-launch pool login reward, wallet check-in, new user bonus, weekly community event. Yan. ODE to loyal gamblers, community airdrop March 10 to March 31. Ito yung who's eligible mystery marble. Ano ata ito eh. Yung hindi ko alam kung NFT to o yung points. Dati kasi staking dati ng sa BSC. So, hindi ko matandaan kung ano yung mystery marble. How to claim, register your wallet, register period March 17 hanggang April 4. So more detail will be announced before the registration period begins. And more eligible groups will be revealed on the banner at the Gumball Squad anytime during March. So, hindi pa nire-reveal. Titingnan pa lang natin yan. Stay connected, the Gumball Squad for more update. Airdrop Season 3. So, Airdrop Season 3, allocating 1% total supply. Detail will be revealed next week, but here's what we can say for now. This is the foundation of Gumball expansion, being together the entire Web3 gaming community. So 1% lang dun sa airdrop season 3. So ang pinakamataas siguro dito na allocation, yung pinakauna, yung may staking. Tapos yung sa card, maglalaro ka. Meron kang specific na task. Every week ata yun or every day. So, maglalaro ka. So, parang dun pinakamataas yung allocation. So, sa airdrop season 3 ay 1%. Siguro yung Gumball Squad, yun yata yung season 3 na airdrop. So, yun lang yung info. So, TGE, April, pero walang exact date. Allocation, 1% total supply sa airdrop season 3. Dun sa season 1, 2, wala silang sinabi na info or hindi ko nabasa. yung dating news nila dati. So, yun. So, dito register lang tapos yan, nag-ano lang tayo dito sa mission.